largest crypto
I will fire Gary.
Hey Coin Diary viewers, welcome back to BlockTalk. In this episode, we go through the largest ICO which happened in recent days, institutions getting onboarded, Launchpad Alpha, and some meme moments which happened in the crypto space. To know more, let's dive in.
Hi guys, the first news that we have here is about MegaETH, where MegaETH public token sale oversubscribed over 27.8x. So let's see what our guys are about to say about this news.
27, it was 19, right?
No, the final thing is at 27. 19 was till the night of October 29th. The sale ended at, as per Indian types, at 6:30 yesterday, October 30th. So at the end of the time, the amount was raised up till 27 times. Yes.
So let's say they asked for 100 rupees.
Yeah.
And they got 2,700 rupees.
Yes.
Oh, the last I checked was they asked for 100 rupees and they got 1,100 rupees.
Yes.
Oh.
But it got till the last minute bids were coming in. I was seeing it live, and the demand is so huge, and people are just thinking like, this is not even any other L1 or any other major project. It's just an L2 on Ethereum. Ethereum.
Even the website, I was just looking at the website. There's nothing very special about it. It is like a general normal project, and people just putting mad money into it.
Yes, but no, I do like the website because the art direction. There is some art direction in the website.
The kind of graphics are done. It's not something wow, right? It's there are some graphics.
Yes.
In today's world, these graphics can be done by even a college kid, right?
But not so. Like if you check their website may be mid, but if you check their Twitter account, all the photos which they put,
yes,
everything is
active.
Very well done. They have created an aura among themselves. Like it's really difficult to create for a marketing team aura around a brand or a project. They have created it successfully, and it started to attract everything.
Of course, 27 times oversubscribed is no joke, right?
Yeah.
No, is the sale ended or still going on?
The sale ended.
So right now people are waiting for what
allocation,
distribution?
Yeah. So on November 5th, they will announce who gets the allocation and who else gets the refunds.
Okay. And are they changing any strategy of allocation because it's so oversubscribed?
Yes. So there is no change of strategy, but they did say what would be their strategy. They have a chief strategy officer. He put a huge article on Twitter which mentioned what will be seen by the MegaETH team to give you allocations.
Okay.
And that was also really cool.
No, it's like it's a equal weightage kind of a mechanism.
No.
Or some people, like let's say there are few communities that get lot more, or people who get certain tokens, they get more. How does it work?
Yeah, how does it work is, so in sale the minimum bid which you can put was $2,650, which is not a small amount actually. The entry itself was that much, $2.6K.
So not everyone could enter. So the entry barrier was pretty high.
The entry barrier was high, and the max one could put is $186K.
Okay.
So the whales could not just put $1 billion.
Dump a lot of money
into it. So these were the range bounds, and people were like, so as a person like me, I saw in circles that for Indian markets $2.6 is a good amount. So people were just colluding with each other, like 5-6 people just collude, and they all put money together into a single account.
So they asked for 50 million. And they've almost crossed $1 billion mark.
Yes. So next allocation strategy is there won't be any dust allocation also. They also said this because some ICOs what they do is if you put, let's say $2,000, they just give you allocation for $50. This is also allocation, but it's very small, right? MegaETH said that there won't be no dust allocations. Like the minimum which you would get is 2650.
Okay.
Or else you would get zero allocation.
Okay.
Get the point? Either full refund,
okay,
or a good chunk of allocation.
So they won't proportionate, like whatever has been already subscribed, so many people get so much chunk of it. No, it doesn't happen to that. So either they get this full of this amount as told, or they get zero.
Yes.
If they're not getting if they're getting zero, they refund the entire amount.
Yes.
Ah.
And
So it's not guaranteed that every person who has invested will get allocation done.
So 27 times, almost 28 times allocation means
Maybe this would have triggered a oversubscription, right? Maybe this could have given that.
yeah, everybody has chance.
Yeah,
Yes.
everybody has a chance, but again, if because it's oversubscribed, not everyone gets a chance. It's oversubscribed now, no?
Not everybody wins.
Not
Everybody
everyone
gets
wins.
a chance to win.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Because so many people are so much interested into it, right? So it must have been like,
It's of course, let's say if you have to win a race, you have to run the race. You can't be in the spectator stand and say that I want to win the race. Now in that 10 people are running the race, one guy will win. But the other 9 guys also had a chance to win. They had more chance than the guy who was just sitting outside and watching the game.
Yes.
Right? So
Absolutely.
they have invested their money. They have done everything. It's the game is pretty popular now, and now they're waiting for their prizes, the allocations to happen.
Yeah, MegaETH team also said that even if you don't get allocation, just for participation, you will be eligible for their mainnet reward program, which is upcoming. Nobody knows, but they said only these participants will be.
is this a new kind of strategy or it has been already used? Like,
ICO is the super old strategy, I guess. Crypto had so many types of fundraising, but ICO is.
so can we take that as an advantage or?
No, they improvise. No, as we go, they would have also improvised. They would have also not expected that their shares would get oversubscribed at 19 times, 20 times, right? And their project also is at a very nascent stage. So they would have not thought about it. Now, because it has happened, now they have to quickly come up with some model where they have to keep all investors happy.
Yeah, now the game starts for them. Yes.
The thing is, the community has been built and it's quite successfully done. Now everyone in the community has to be happy. Everyone has to get some part of allocation done. Now, if you allocate too small, people would not be interested. Right? Again, you can't have too many low quality investors with you. Right? So they're also looking at these other models. This is probably Vaishnav has more points, interesting things about
the
it.
allocation model is pretty good. The thing is, the next thing, it's not lucky draw kind of thing. Like any one person out of 27% would get it. It's like they would see your on-chain history. How long you have been interacting with Ethereum. Are you being the first 5,000 people to...
So they're taking that opportunity to choose and pick the most quality...
The aligned ones.
Yeah, the aligned ones and the quality investors. So it's a good move in the long run, having people who have been with them and who have seen the market cycles.
Yes, absolutely. So first 5,000 people who have jumped into any protocol. Like Pendle was a new protocol, Ethena was a new protocol, Uniswap was a new protocol. So first people who just tried out this protocol.
I like this. Participation is people who are being participating.
But this kind of strategy works only for experienced investors. Like what if he is a new guy?
They're still secured, no? Because here there is no chance of like as I said, you already have $1 billion, and you can purchase the entire project. There are whales who have more than $1 billion, right? They can just purchase the entire project. They're trying to stop it, and they're trying to choose and pick the investors, and everyone gets a right share of their participation, and that's a good call. And even if a new guy is coming in, if they are participating in such pools, it's more safer, right? Than going into something that can just get pumped and dumped, which doesn't have these safety checks in place. If I was a new investor, I would have invested into it.
Yes, and that's it. They are also looking on to your NFT purchases, the kind of NFTs you have bought and holding. Are you having any OG NFTs? Or
I did have an OG NFT, a couple of them.
Nice. And they are also looking on your ethos score. If you don't know what is an ethos score, it's ethos network is a network which gives you points based on your reputation in the Web3 space.
Okay.
So they are also seeing, are you well reputed or are you a low reputed person? So they are taking care of every sphere of your on-chain activity and selecting.
Like it's like a great rating service.
Yeah. So that's how this is happening, and let's see who are the lucky ones to get the allocation. And there was also another another selectable. The thing is, if you wanted, you could have mandatorily you can select 1 year lockup.
Okay.
not getting allocation as soon in January itself, but you are just locking in.
Okay.
I can get my allocation after a year. For those guys, they were also giving 10% discount.
Okay.
And in that model itself, ticking that box itself, there is $50 million.
Of course. No, that's a good move, no?
So
even they're secured. People who get all the allocation on day one, and if the market goes a little south, not everyone won't be dumping it. And even if everyone dumps it in this scenario, because there are people who have agreed to take a late allocation, they won't be in a chance to dump their coins. So it's a good move.
Yes. So let's see who are the lucky ones and
Okay, the second dramatic news that we have here is Limitless CEO CJ exposes Binance, becomes own market maker, gets trolled. So what is this all about, Vaishnav?
yeah.
So we have to tell the viewers, CJ versus CZ.
Yeah.
CZ is different, CJ is
It's
different.
different. So CJ is the CEO of Limitless. It's a new protocol. It's a new prediction market built on top of Base. CZ, as you know, is the CEO of Binance. So as Limitless was preparing for releasing its token on market, they were looking for the listings in every exchange, and whatever deal they had with Binance, they just posted it for everyone to see. So Binance was upset that they should be under due diligence, right? They should be under NDA. But CJ said that they did not even care to sign an NDA. So I posted it. So what's wrong? So
It's just an application form. Like these are proposals, right? Like let's say tomorrow you do cryptocurrency, and you have to go post. You have to list it on Binance. Binance will ask you that I need this for me to list your currency on us.
Yeah.
Right? He has not signed any deal of, as you said, NDA and things like that. He didn't like the proposal. He did not want to do it there. So he just posted the proposal form online for people to see it.
yeah.
Right? So there's no harm in doing that.
There's no harm, but still nobody has done it yet.
Okay.
So
He's
what
the
you
first
can,
one. He's
the
the
first
first
one.
one.
See, everybody either they are scared, not scared, like either they think that this will bring some negative publicity towards themselves and not respecting the privacy in the
They're just
crypto
they're
spaces.
just too scared of Binance. I mean, it's too big that they feel they feel it's overwhelmingly too huge. They can crush us at any point.
Yeah.
So why is it he wanted to make this bold statement like that?
So he wanted to prove that why he is building on Base. By building on Base, Coinbase will list you if you are a good project. But
the requirement is they have to build on a platform called Base.
That's the only requirement. But for Binance, they have a huge set of requirements which is seemingly predatory in nature. He exposed this. He had a fight with then CZ. CZ said that I have not blocked him and all. This is not professional behavior. We can sue you. He said.
It was a drama. That was a drama-filled event, as Nisha said.
Yeah.
So here are the timeline events. Right.
Exposed Binance listing charges, and then it went viral, and he got support from Base, and have entire crypto industry joined the debate, and fake that CC blocked you, and it was fake that CC blocked him, and it started.
He spread a rumor. He just spread a rumor saying that.
It started a public fight.
Was it a rumor? Did he block him? No.
CZ said I did not block him.
He didn't block him. But did you check online? No.
We can't.
You can't check it. Okay.
It's only shown to the profiles.
The profiles. Okay.
Yeah.
So CZ calls CJ out for clout chasing. Then he also announced a legal charges against CJ. Then further proof that CJ was not lying was also submitted, and Binance deletes the whole post about CJ, including any procedure towards taking legal charges. Is that a safe move, Vaishnav? It must be a safe move. Like
It still instills that he was right. If Binance deletes the thread, it means that he did have some truth with him, right?
no, CJ is right.
Yeah, CJ.
Right. And CJ wins the fight, of course, and starts Coinbase versus CZ fight, and Coinbase lists BNB, and timeline starts talking about
Coinbase lists BNB.
Yes.
BNB.
Yes. And timeline starts talking about Hype, BNB, and Aster. There happened multiple exchange listings also happened, and announces Limitless coming on BNB chain after the whole fight happened, and timeline WTF, everyone thinks the whole drama was fake to gain virality and gain virality from that post. And the post was concluded by letting everybody know it was a fake.
Nisha was so quick, but it was necessary.
Nice. And it did not stop there.
Yes, it's in 1 week there's so much things that has happened, right?
Limitless got listed in a DEX, base itself as a DEX. They did not use any market maker, and so in DEX, automated market making happens. Every DEX has pool structure, right? It automatically rebalances the assets and prices.
Without any manual intervention.
Yes. Then he says that as on-chain strategy. People were like, "Oh, this is automated. What is on-chain strategy?" Wintermute. The largest market maker in the world is Wintermute. You should know. He is like Binance.
Okay.
Huge. Wintermute CEO asks, "What is on-chain strategy?" CJ replies that, "Ever heard of concentrated liquidity?" So concentrated liquidity is just a feature of AMM, but he wanted to sound smart. He commented that.
Okay.
Then what happened is, after the tokens hit the market, it was found out that CJ's linked wallets were heavily selling his own token.
Okay. So CJ's tokens were being
Sold by
once linked with CJ were being selling it.
Yeah.
Continuously.
And as people were pinpointing to it, okay, so this is your on-chain strategy. Then he started to buy again at the low price. He said,
it all sounds like a scheme to me.
Yeah, he said that he wanted to lower the price so that more people can join in. So people started to troll him like, so he had a hero status by exposing Binance. Now he has...
he's getting trolled.
He has now questionable score in Ethos network.
Okay.
Below 782 is his score, which means a questionable form, and his profile is in red now. So within a week he had his rise and fall. Yeah.
Okay. See, one news can change.
It's not actually a news, it's kind of a drama. For a tweet itself, it's...
Yeah, he could have been a very reputable account for so long time, but he became reputable and questionable within a week. Yes.
Got it.
So, and we are also covering up news bits this week. The first one that we have is ETHZilla sells $40 billion in ETH to fund share buybacks. So, what is your views on this, Vaishnav?
So, ETHZilla is a treasury company, a digital asset treasury company. This is a new meta. DAT has been there for long. Like when BlackRock, Fidelity, huge fund houses do it, people do take care of it. But there are also smaller offices or companies which just do this kind of treasury activities. One is MicroStrategy, as we know. Now there is ETHZilla and everything. So people were just discussing ETHZilla, instead of just selling their Ethereum stash and buybacking their share price to bring it above NAV. Why can't they just loan it, use the same ETH as collateral, take a loan out of it and use those funds? It would be much better strategy than MicroStrategy, is what people are saying. And I think
that loan, how much percent of that collateral are they giving as loan?
So for a volatile collateral such as ETH, you can get almost 80% out.
I don't think so.
You can, but the thing is, nobody would take 80% out. It's risky. Like even small moves can liquidate your collateral, right?
Correct.
So people don't take that much risk. They take almost 50% of the collateral. It's been like the loan can be over collateralized 150%, if you say.
Okay.
Yeah, but and because of this news, ETHZilla's stock price jumped 14.5%. So in market, this was a positive news.
Okay.
Yeah.
The second news bit that we have here is Solana's co-founder Anatoly dismisses Anol's fork as useless and becomes a meme moment.
So in Solana, there is a protocol called time.fun.
Okay.
You can auction for big personalities' time, such as Solana co-founder, or you can say Akshay BD, like whoever is famous personality, right? You can bet on there, and whoever wins the auction will get a time slot to meet the person. So Analog's fork is a meme project, a fork, actual fork of Solana. They betted on the auction, they won the auction, giving $40,000 just for 20 minutes of Anatoly's time. Anatoly is the co-founder of Solana.
Okay.
As soon as the call starts, Toly says that this is useless. There's nothing to talk about this.
Okay.
And this crashed the whole project.
Okay. Someone saying this and
Can the founder say like that? It's not a good sign, right, for a company or something.
There are two parts. Anatoly was built on Solana itself as a main project, and Solana's co-founder himself bashing his own protocol.
the folk that they're about to go through, and he doesn't believe. Basically, it says that he doesn't believe in his own fork.
Yeah.
There's nothing much to talk about it.
So one side people are saying that one co-founder cannot bash his own protocol tokens. Like, what kind of precedent this is giving off? Other person are saying even if somebody spends $40,000 for this, it does not mean that the co-founder has to just sing good name, show good name of yours. Like, he must be true to himself.
Got it.
He must
so there
tell
are two
what's-
sides. Some people have opinions saying that okay, it's not told it. Some people say it's good that he has told it.
Yes.
Okay. What is your view on it?
My view is he has good that he is told it, but the amount of money which they spent, if they get that refunded, that would be much better. It's what I feel.
Of course. Okay.
I think that it might end up into an opposite reaction. Like, what if people comes and buys or says like kind of a new strategy?
Yeah. What strategy you are saying is any publicity is good publicity, but it did not happen with this token. As soon as this token crashed, nobody wants to touch it now. There is no hope for the project.
Third news bit is that Western Union to launch USDPG stablecoin on Solana in 2026.
Which is a bullish sign for the whole ecosystem. And
of course.
And
we have some USDT backed by some real company who have been in business for at least half a decade.
Yeah, half a decade.
Yeah.
From
They've been
very
there.
old days, the Western Union is there.
They're one of the pioneers in remittances. So they launching their crypto, right? I mean, that's a good sign.
So why Solana? Like, why do you think Western Union must have selected Solana? Either it is for Solana's security premises, its transaction speeds, or the kind of backroom dealing which has happened, Solana has upped their game
There's
there.
a number of projects that are on Solana also, no? We look at number
Because
of
there is also Ethereum, there is Polygon, Ethereum L2s like Polygon, there is Avalanche, there are so many projects out there who are always hitting on other established projects to onboard, but still Solana won. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm wondering. I don't know why.
Kudos to their team is what we can say.
So the last news that we have is Federal Reserve cut rates 25 BPS.
So last month there was a cut of 25 basis points.
What do you think? Stock markets have not started moving it.
And this month also the trend continues. But the movement because of this has not been much because of the tumultuous relationship. Like, now everything is positive. US and China is now shaking hands. Tariff problems are being put
No, is it
away.
made to look positive? That is what everyone is concerned about.
Oh,
Like there are so many things happening around
the
the world.
outlook is positive, but the markets have not reacted much at all. It's like,
It's just there.
okay, this is another FOMC meeting. This is another.
The thing is, so this thing, right? Like last week there was a crash of 80% across a lot of markets.
Yeah.
For some reason that happened somewhere, right? Today we don't know which news is going to be big or which is something which is very tiny. Market reacts not at the size of the news. It just reacts randomly, right?
Yeah.
So every news has become an important news right now.
Yeah.
Maybe. No, but as Vaishnav says, markets are sideways, not much movement. From that crash, the volumes and the activity on the markets have come down. Again, we are closer to the holiday seasons. People have started booking the profits. So the markets are sideways, but also the volatility is good. So there are some tradable opportunities. Yeah.
So we have covered up so many news this week. Like last time it was only 3 or 2, and we have covered up so many different news and stuffs. So what are your thoughts about as a trader and the crypto community? What is one takeaway that you wanted to give to share with our subscribers? as a trader and crypto community man.
For me, what I'm saying is, ICO IDOs did not have much shine afterwards the 2017 boom. MegaETH is bringing that shine back on. But the thing is, what I would say is, still IDOs are very risky. 10 out of 1 project succeed. But in latest and what I've seen is, let's say Kaito, let's say MetaDAO5, these are launch pads where projects get launched. Every project over there had 10x returns. So what I'm saying is, this is just a very short period of time where every ICO is becoming a success. This can't be standing, like, it's not necessary that every ICO will be.
Yeah, there are some phases where everything that is launched, even if it's a crap project, it just goes off fine, because you move next to an elephant, you look like an elephant. Right?
Yeah.
So sometimes it flies, sometimes it doesn't. But right now you're saying overall it's looking good. The ICO markets are good, is what you're saying.
Yes. Okay. It's not it has performed good.
Okay.
What
it might not be performing the same way in future.
Yes. Okay. Absolutely. You have to be beware from now on.
Okay.
Because MegaETH had the most successful one. I don't think any other project can hit the MegaETH levels of ICO.
Anytime soon.
Yeah, anytime soon.
Okay.
So that's it for today, guys. We have covered up the 2 of the major news, and we also had other news bits along with it. So do like, share, and comment your thoughts on our comment section, and follow our crypto BlockTalk podcast for latest updates.